So now you've got the painstaking job to get the sill out, is to come through the backside, which is the floor goes like that, and then it bends down like that, and they've spot welded from underneath. I don't know how you'd get to it. So I can just think of coming through here about 3 inches, where the pretty much just below where the bottom door hinge bolts on, cut through, remove this whole section that exposes the sill. I'll zoom out a bit. That exposes the whole sill, so then with ease I'll be able to come along and go boom, boom, boom all the way through. All right, but in the process you've chopped up the whole car to get to it. Like I say, I don't know any other way of doing it. I've sat under the car for a long time looking at it. I've taken photos, zoomed in on the iPad, which is very clear. It's like almost you've got to take the whole floor out just to get to it properly. So the only other option I thought of is to come through and bend this back, which it's all got surface rust anyway, so yeah. It's just time consuming, but at the end of the day I'd hate to think what a panel beater would charge for something like this. And the positive is you're going to do a fantastic job, hopefully. Oh, sorry. That's what I made before too. It wasn't in picture. That was to bolt up. I do cylinder head porting. I've been doing that for about 20 years. I'm pretty good at it. Just squared off some holes. So yeah, 1.6. So this is my actually very first panel of trying to weld it together. I bought a new Lincoln 4-in-1 welder, and I gave it a quick weld on the backside, and the zinc weld through primer. So yeah, I think sometimes it's a matter of, I've had HQs pretty much all my life as well. But the extent of what I've gone to in the past was pretty much just a sandblasting majority of the car, rubbing back by hand what I could, and painting in a garage. And you know, granted, the car's turned out quite nice. I'm going to show you how